Alright, so here we are with the Rovan D5 Buggy. We've got the Taylor 35 in there. We've got a 25 tooth pinion and the stock 63 tooth spur. We've upgraded the drivetrain with the power plant, and everything else is pretty much stock and holding up well. We're running it on a LiPo battery. I adjusted the suspension, made some tweaks, and she seems to be running great. We'll get her on the ground, start her up, and we'll take her for a little rip. Oh, kill switch. There we go. Alright. Got a tuning screwdriver. Let's take her for a little rip. Looks like it might rain, but we'll get some run time in anyway. I think I like the way this 25 tooth pinion feels. She just keeps getting faster. Running great, folks. Needs a touch on the high-speed needle, maybe a touch up on the low. All right, that sounded quite a lot happier at the end there. Thank you again for coming along, folks. Appreciate you.